Welcome to Schueys BBQ, where you'll learn the tips and tricks to master your grill. Today, I'm going to show you how to correctly season the JG BBQ Offset Plate. Now, if you do like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, share it with your mates, okay? And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons. That way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So, let's get into it. Using a JG BBQ Offset Plate in your Weber is going to take your barbecue game to the next level. But before that happens, we need to season it. So you want to start with one charcoal basket full of lit briquettes, okay? Put that in your Weber, okay? Because this is just a big piece of mild steel, and the only way to season mild steel is heat and oil. JG BBQ recommend using canola oil to season all of their offset plates. The good thing about this stuff is you can buy it everywhere. All you got to do is give the plate a good coating on both sides and then place it into your Weber. Okay, we just want to get the Weber up as hot as we can now. So we're going to open the lid vent fully. We're also going to open the bowl vents all the way. And then we're just going to let this season for 3 hours. And every half hour, we're just going to give the plate another spray of oil. Okay, the offset plate's been seasoned for 3 hours now. Just leave all the vents open, let the charcoal burn out, let the plate and the Weber cool down completely. Just leave it alone, okay? And you'll be barbecuing in no time with your freshly seasoned offset plate. Cheers! Don't forget to give me a like and to share the video. Oh, bell nut butt to the next. Oh, spiders everywhere again. Oh, why do I knew I shouldn't have said that. Is it on? A flying lawnmower into your Weber. I don't know. Why am I doing that? Whoa, whoa. You can babble on like me. Now the lawnmowers have learnt to fly. We want to. You'll be barbecuing in no time. Oh, you will.